Hi, my name is Shamini. I work in Trigent and I'm the marketing head, VP Marketing, heading all of the Trigent brand. We were here for a 3-day workshop in design thinking, and a lot of the concepts that we learned were amazing. There was so much that we had to, take in those 3 days. Two things that really stuck with me. Number one was the concept of Lakshya that Mr. Arun Jain spoke about. How all the minds get together without an agenda. They talk about a lot of things. They talk about not strategy, not transformation, because these are the words that I was saying. Is it strategy? Is it transformation? Is it innovation? He said, no, just come together and talk. And this kind of, you come up with so many ideas over here, and these people who are part of this Lakshya group kind of take it back to the rest of the organization. And from there comes the business goals. I think that really stood out. So that was number one. Number two, what I really liked was this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is called the belief cube, right? So we have, what is belief cube? We have branding on top. So we have the brand capital, followed by the end user, end customer, followed by leadership, followed by intellectual property, execution, and the financials. I think this is a very, very good concept, and this is one of the things that I'm actually taking back to Trigent to talk to my leaders and my team about this. Thank you so much.